urgent weather message from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Maryland, Baltimore, Carroll and Howard, the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Baltimore County in northern Maryland, Carroll County in north central Maryland, Howard County in central Maryland, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was detected 4 miles south of Clarksville, or about 2 miles southwest of Highland, and was moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Highland, River Hill, Columbia, Ellicott City, Font Hill, Dunligan, Daniels Dam, Milford Hill, Tappville, Brunteltown, Pikesville, Williamsburg, Brooklandville, Cockeysville, Phoenix. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Maryland, Baltimore,